Most people have no idea that at any given moment, their colon may be carrying up to 20 pounds of built-up waste and toxic residue. Doctors have a name for it, and the scary part? Most people never feel it until something goes seriously wrong. Today, I'm going to show you 3 herbal teas that have been used for centuries to flush your colon completely clean, restore your gut health, and help your body work the way nature intended. Your colon is one of the hardest working organs in your entire body. It's about 5 feet long, and its entire job is to absorb water, extract final nutrients, and eliminate everything your body doesn't need. But here's the problem. Processed food, stress, not enough water. All of these slow your colon down. Waste starts to build up. Bacteria multiply, inflammation sets in, and this doesn't just cause constipation or bloating. A sluggish, toxic colon has been linked to fatigue, brain fog, unexplained weight gain, and skin problems. Your gut health affects everything. So how do you fix it? The answer has been growing in the earth for thousands of years. These 3 herbal teas each work differently, but together, they form one of the most powerful natural colon cleansing protocols you can do right at home. Let's get into them. Number 1. Senna Leaf Tea. If you've ever looked at the ingredient list on an over-the-counter laxative, and I mean really looked, you've probably already seen the word Senna. That's because Senna is one of the most well-studied natural laxatives on the planet. Senna comes from the leaves and pods of the Cassia senna plant. It contains compounds called sennicides. And what sennicides do is stimulate the inner lining of your colon, triggering what's called peristalsis, the muscular contractions that move waste through your digestive tract. In simple terms, it gets things moving. Ancient Egyptian healers used it. Ayurvedic practitioners have used it for over 1,000 years, and it still works today. But here's the key. Senna is powerful. You don't want to drink it every single day. 2 to 3 times a week during a cleansing period is exactly right. Always drink it in the evening, before bed. It works within 6 to 12 hours. How to prepare. Steep 1 senna tea bag, or 1 teaspoon of dried senna leaves, in hot water for exactly 10 minutes. Don't oversteep. The stronger the brew, the stronger the effect. And drink a full glass of water immediately after. Hydration is everything when you are cleansing. Number 2. Ginger and lemon tea. I know what some of you are thinking. Ginger tea, that's for an upset stomach. And you're not wrong. But ginger does something much deeper than most people know. Especially for your colon. Ginger root contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds called gingerols and shogaols. And here's why that matters. Inflammation is often the hidden root cause of a sluggish colon. When your colon is inflamed, it cannot move waste efficiently. Things get stuck. Ginger reduces that inflammation. But it also does something else. It stimulates your digestive enzymes, the proteins your body uses to break down food. More enzymes means better digestion. Better digestion means far less waste building up in your colon in the first place. Now add lemon. You are now getting vitamin C, a natural antioxidant, and citric acid, which stimulates bile flow from the liver directly into the digestive tract. Together, ginger and lemon create what I call a natural pipe cleaner for your entire digestive system. How to prepare. Slice or grate 1 inch of fresh ginger root. Add it to 2 cups of water and let it simmer, not boil, for 10 minutes. Then squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Add a small amount of raw honey if you want sweetness. Drink this in the morning, on an empty stomach, 30 minutes before breakfast. It primes your entire digestive system for the day ahead. If you're finding this helpful, take 2 seconds and hit subscribe. I post natural health tips like this every single week, and I don't want you to miss what I have coming next. Number 3, and this is the one most people completely overlook. Dandelion Root Tea. Most people think dandelion is just a weed, something you pull out of your garden. But for centuries, herbalists have used dandelion root as one of the most powerful natural detoxifiers in all of plant medicine. And here's why it matters specifically for your colon. Your colon does not work alone. It works directly with your liver. The liver filters toxins from your blood and sends them down the bile duct into your intestines for elimination. If your liver is sluggish, if it is not producing enough bile, your colon does not get the signal to push waste out. Dandelion root stimulates liver function. It increases bile production. More bile flowing means your colon gets the green light to eliminate. And there's more. Dandelion root acts as a prebiotic. It feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, the bacteria responsible for breaking down waste, reducing inflammation, and keeping your immune system strong. A healthy microbiome is a healthy colon. Period. How to prepare. Use 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root per cup of water. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Roots need more time than leaves to release their compounds. Strain and drink. The taste is slightly bitter and earthy. A little honey or a pinch of cinnamon takes the edge off completely. Drink this in the afternoon, about an hour after lunch. Here is exactly how to use all 3 teas together. A simple 5-day colon cleanse protocol. Morning, ginger and lemon tea. On an empty stomach, 30 minutes before breakfast. Afternoon, dandelion root tea, about 1 hour after lunch. Evening, Senna Leaf Tea, 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Do this for 5 days. On days 6 and 7, rest. Drink only the ginger tea in the morning to maintain healthy digestion without overstimulating your system. And here is the one thing most people miss, and it makes all the difference. Water. You need to drink at least 8 glasses of water every single day during this protocol. The teas loosen things up. Water is what flushes them out. One important note before you start. If you are pregnant, nursing, or taking prescription medications, especially blood thinners or diuretics, please consult your doctor first. So there you have it. 3 herbal teas, senna leaf, ginger and lemon, and dandelion root. Each one targeting a different part of your colon and working together to do a complete natural cleanse. Try the 5-day protocol and come back and tell me in the comments how it went. And nothing is more important than forming these kinds of healthy habits. That's the key to real well-being.